द इल्यूजन वर्सेस रियलिटी। मैं डीके सिन्हा हूं। निफ्टी आज क्रैश कर गया। द क्वेश्चन इज, डिड इट वॉर्न अर्लियर? रिमेंबर, market always warn, but a few can catch that warning signal before the crash. ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि नैरेटिव क्रिएट्स कंफर्मेशन बायस, और वीक मार्केट में एक माइनर पुलबैक जब आता है तो ट्रेडर्स रीसेंसी बायस का शिकार हो जाते हैं, जैसे ट्रेडर्स ब्लाइंड हो गए हों। एक आम रिटेल ट्रेडर नैरेटिव्स पर, व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस पर और टेलीग्राम टिप्स पर ज्यादा विश्वास करता है, पर ही इग्नोर्स द डेटा, टेक्निकल इनपुट्स एंड मैक्रो रियलिटी। आज जैसे ही मार्केट खुला तो गैप डाउन ओपन हुआ, लेकिन एक कंसोलेशन है जो फिर से एक आशा को जगाता है। वो क्या है? गैप डाउन के ऊपर में लो का फॉलो थ्रू नहीं हुआ। मेरा हमेशा से एक ही विश्वास है और मैं रूल को फॉलो करता हूं, स्टॉप ट्रेडिंग न्यूज, स्टॉप ट्रेडिंग नैरेटिव, नेवर अलाउ योर माइंड टू डोमिनेट ओवर फैक्ट्स एंड डेटा। भाव भगवान है और डेटा कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता। In this video, I will present the hard facts with case studies as to how stock markets gives warning before it crashes. हम यहाँ मार्केट प्रिडिक्ट करने के लिए नहीं बैठे हैं, because no one can predict the market. This is the hard reality. But we can always take precautions to manage risk अगर हम unbiased analysis करें. Always keep in mind, market returns are never guaranteed. Hence, you should never ignore risk management. Trade less, trade quality, no emotion, only rules. Watch till the end so that you become better and mature trader. चलिए शुरू करते हैं। करंट निफ्टी 50 सिनेरियो को देखिए। निफ्टी 50 made a high of 26,277.35 when in September 2024, and then corrected to 21,743.65 in April 2025. इसका मतलब क्या है? A drawdown of 17.25%. Look at this chart on your screen. निफ्टी 50 ने रिकवरी स्टार्ट की, बट fails multiple times to close above 26,277.35 on monthly basis. It made several attempts to go past 26,277.35 and did multiple times, made an attempt, but finally what happened? Data देखो, it made a high of 26,104 in October 2025, made a high of 26,310 in November 2025, made another high of 26,325.8 in December 2025, high of 26,373.2 in January 2026, and again a high of 26,341.2 in February 2026. Did it ever close above the September high of 26,277.35? The answer is no. अब टेक्निकल स्ट्रक्चर को थोड़ा और डीपली समझने की कोशिश करते हैं। Could you see a hanging man pattern in the month of December 2025 with identical opening and high at 26,325.8? That too at the top of Nifty 50. What does this mean? It is a bearish pattern with a sign of exhaustion in monthly time frame. और डेली चार्ट पर क्या हुआ? Could you see EMA 21 crossed under EMA 55 in daily chart, while Nifty 50 now trades below all long-term moving averages like SMA 144, SMA 200 and SMA 233. ये सब हमने जीरो टू हीरो ट्यूटोरियल सीरीज में कवर किया है। What does this mean? इसका क्लियर मतलब है कि रिटेल ट्रेडर्स होप ट्रेडिंग कर रहे थे, पुशिंग द प्राइस हायर ऑन नैरेटिव and news but ignoring the data, while FIIs were selling at the strong supply zones between 26,200 to 26,300. It means retail traders were in liquidity trap and helping smart money to exit. आप ट्रैप हो गए क्योंकि आपने न्यूज को डेटा से बड़ा मान लिया. द न्यूज ट्रैप एंड टैरिफ रियलिटी. रिटेल ट्रेडर्स ट्रेडेड ऑन न्यूज. चलिए ये सारी न्यूज इवेंट्स का पोस्टमार्टम करते हैं. Trump imposed tariff of 25% on Indian exports and hiked the tariff to 50% because India continued to buy Russian oil. इसने मार्केट सेंटिमेंट्स को हेविली अफेक्ट किया. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? उसके बाद हुआ इंडिया यूएस इंटरिम ट्रेड डील हुई और टैरिफ 50% से 18% पर नीचे आ गया. बट रिटेल ट्रेडर्स इग्नोर्ड मेनी थिंग्स. पहला फैक्ट, tariff prior to 50% was just around 3% on Indian exports. दूसरा fact, interim trade deal has several conditions कि India will not buy Russian oil. तीसरा, India will impose lower or zero tariff on US imports, specifically industrial and agriculture produce. चौथा, India will import $500 billion in next 5 years. What does this mean? इसका सीधा असर मैक्रो पर है. इंडिया ट्रेड सरप्लस with US was earlier, which was favorable to India, which may not be now. और फिर क्या हुआ? US Supreme Court pronounced that tariff imposed by US President Trump was beyond his authority unless approved by US Congress, and hence Trump tariff was legally invalid. But US President invoked Section 122, imposing a tariff of 15% uniformly. Retail traders now celebrated a tariff reduction from 50% to 18% and then to 15% without going into the details of Section 122, which has a validity of 150 days only. And the threat of Section 232 and Section 301 is still hang on. Nifty gapped up because retail traders bought the narrative ignoring the facts. Then came Section 701, where US hiked tariff on solar panels from 10% to 126% that affected the growing sector of India. जब ये सारी न्यूज फ्लोट हो रही थी, प्राइस एक्शन clearly indicated strong supply or resistance at around 26,300 in Nifty 50. इंटर मार्केट एनालिसिस एंड मैक्रो डेटा. अब बात करते हैं इंटर मार्केट एनालिसिस की. दुनिया हमारे अकेले के मार्केट से नहीं चलती. S&P 500 is considered the mother of indices and it was forming a rising wedge kind of structure at the top of the market with bearish divergence on momentum indicator RSI. ये क्लियर साइन है वीकनेस का और एक्सहॉशन का. दूसरा सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर, ब्रेंट क्रूड ऑयल was going up, which shot up by over 30% in a few days time. Now you will think that it might be going up due to the US-Iran war. You are partly right, but price action on Brent crude chart indicated breakout of falling wedge on 8th January 2026, which happened before the war broke. What does this mean? Price leads. मार्केट को न्यूज आने से पहले पता होता है. राइजिंग ऑयल प्राइसेस ब्रिंग एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन ऑन इंडियन एक्सचेकर. इट इज इन्फ्लेशनरी एंड इट इंपैक्ट्स बजट डेफिसिट. साथ ही अगर देखें डेटा को तो इंडिया अंडर परफॉर्म सिग्निफिकेंटली in 2025 as well. That showed the structural weakness in Indian stock market. Gold and silver जो safe haven माने जाते हैं are rising and rising phenomenally. जब हम ये वीडियो बना रहे हैं तब भी शायद सिल्वर आज 8% ऊपर है और गोल्ड भी 5% से ज्यादा ऊपर है. मैक्रो लेवल पर देखें तो FII वर सेलिंग कंटिन्यूअसली और कॉर्पोरेट अर्निंग्स को देखें तो it was sluggish for past many quarters. और मार्केट साइकिल को हम इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते। ईयर 2 ऑफ यूएस प्रेसिडेंशियल टर्म यानी मिड टर्म इलेक्शन 2026, दिस चैनल has been emphasizing even before start of 2026 that year will be volatile for first 8-9 months based on historical facts. Did it not happen in 2022? Yes, it did when S&P 500 went into bear market, while Nifty 50 had a very big drawdown of nearly 18%. Remember, year 3, that is upcoming year 2027, is likely to be the strongest year for stocks based on the historical facts. इसका मतलब 2026 is the year to preserve capital so that when opportunity comes in quarter 4 of calendar year 2026, you have cash with you to position yourself in fundamentally strong stocks right in accumulation phase to get right advantage of high risk to reward ratio. We have already made several videos on hybrid analysis so that you can apply the concept and approach to design your own investment strategy rather than trading on narrative, falling into your own trap of confirmation bias or recency buying. 2020 case study, the real warnings. केस स्टडी 2020 को देखते हैं। द कोविड बेयर मार्केट आपको याद होगा। नाउ यू विल से हाउ टू सेफगार्ड अगेंस्ट निफ्टी और S&P 500 big fall of nearly 39% in 2020. I know why you are asking this, because media and your own narrative attribute this major bear market to COVID. Let me give you the facts and the data that never lies. Recall, first COVID case was detected in December 2019 in China. Am I right? Comment below yes or no. पर उसके पहले वार्निंग सिग्नल्स क्या थे? Yield curve 10 year versus 2 year inverted in US and UK way back on 14th August 2019, which indicated probability of forthcoming recession. Although this channel was quite new, a few months old, we made a video on it. You must watch that video from academic point of view. I will give the link below in the description. Another fact, misery index was rising and rising phenomenally, which went above high of February 2017. What does this indicate? Cumulative effect of inflation and unemployment, a sign of distress in the economy. Sharp rise in unemployment rate beyond 5% from 3.5%, which meant substantially higher to 14.8%. P of Nifty 50 stood at around 29.5 in the month of June 2019, indicating expensive valuation and much above its median. There was clear divergence between cap-weighted and equal-weighted Indian market index, indicating weak market breadth because Nifty 50 was making higher highs while equal-weight index was making lower highs. Also, sharp rise in Brent crude oil. These indicators then indicated that the traders must resort to capital preservation to encash bigger opportunity in accumulation and then markup phase. Remember, market has several legs and we must analyze them thoroughly in unbiased fashion. Remember, your belief system is the only enemy in the way of you becoming the data-based analyst. Key levels and action plan. Keep learning from Zero to Hero course on this channel and join Diamond Mentorship class now to learn advanced tools like FRVP, anchored VWAP, rule-based trading systems like Arjun and Surya, and much more. Gaining and applying knowledge is in your hand. अब लिख लीजिए levels to watch in Nifty 50. पहला, Nifty 50 must sustain above 26,300 for significant upside move, which will indicate demand has exceeded the supply. दूसरा, the lowest level between triple top in Nifty 50 stands at 24,571. If it breaks down and breakdown candle has a follow through on downside, we cannot rule the possibility of a deeper correction. And remember, zone between supply and demand, the levels which I have given you, is just the market noise where the trader should avoid trading. Risk reward क्या है ये अपने आप से पूछिए. No position is also a good position. Why to trade if there is no favorable risk to reward ratio? Discipline बनाए रखिए. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video to spread knowledge among fellow traders. Looking forward to meeting you in the next video. Jai Hind.